Hey, my name is Nix. I'm currently in Grindelwald, Switzerland. I'm gonna talk about what you can learn here, what to expect, what to wear, what to pack, and what to bring. So let's start with...
Check the weather forecast. Put on a base layer. Long socks, a thin jacket, ski pants, a buff, either sunglasses or goggles, add a winter jacket, and remember, layering is always a good idea. Don't forget gloves, and you can wear regular shoes as you will be leaving them at the base anyway.
So, just in case you don't have any of this gear with you, like ski pants, ski jacket, some gloves, goggles, and sunglasses, don't worry, because I got you. First, let me show you something. Hello, hi.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. I'm booked for the beginner's package.
Yes, what's your name, please?
Nix.
Perfect.
Nix.
So you need jacket and pants, yeah?
Yes, and I guess skis as well and boots, but I guess those are included.
Yeah, so what's included in the price you've already paid for is the lesson with the instructor, so you're in a group with up to 8 other people. The transport there, the skis, boots, poles and helmet. And then if you need anything additional like pants, jacket, gloves, goggles, you get 20% off our rental price. So you can already go over here and you can choose whatever jacket and pants you like.
In this corner, right?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, and you're going to give this card to my colleagues and they're going to fit your skis for you.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Try on a boot, yeah?
Okay.
Oh, wow! Just gonna check the size. Okay. Beautiful.
I'll get it ready, yeah?
These are ready. With your name sticker on the top here. Yeah. You need goggles and gloves.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect. Good?
Yep. Thank you.
Perfect, have fun.
Yeah.
Then our ski teacher gathered everyone and brought us to the van, where a brief introduction took place.
So we're gonna do like 2 hours in the morning, and we have an option there to have a break if you want, and then we do another 2 hours and a half in the afternoon, and then we come back here.
After approximately 35 minutes of chit-chatting, enjoying music and admiring epic backdrop, we arrived in Bodmy. There, we met our second ski teacher, who gave us a brief introduction to skiing gear.
So, this is a ski. This is your binding. This is what's going to clip your boot into your skis. This is the back of the ski. This black bit here is the slippy part. The edges here are the silver bits. They are quite sharp.
After a quick game, it was time to put on one ski to get the feel of it, and it's not as easy as it looks. Next, we put on the second ski and it was time for a ride. After each run, the ski teacher gave us additional exercises like jumps, lifting one ski off the ground, basic turns, and of course, how to do pizza. That's how the beginners break. We then had a tea break and continued with a couple more exercises till the lunch break. At lunch break, we split up, since some ate at the food truck, some at the restaurant, and some brought their own food. At the Bodmy, food is made at the food truck, and it's more of a fast food offering. Cafe 3692, which is nearby Bodmy, is a local restaurant with fresh ingredients and more authenticity. Last option is homemade food, highly recommended for vegans, and a good choice for vegetarians as well, since both places were not vegan focused and there were not so many vegetarian options as well. After lunch, those who progressed well on the beginner slope moved to the longer slope equipped with a rope tow. We did multiple runs there, mainly skiing around poles. everyone felt more comfortable, the ski instructors took us to the highest point of Bodmi for a few follow the leader runs. Soon after, it was time to head home.
That's the behind the scenes. Oh, sorry.